Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best movie night backdrop is probably one of the most versatile and impactful additions you can make to elevate your home entertainment experience, transforming any ordinary room into a cinematic paradise that immerses you and your guests in the magic of movie watching, creating an unforgettable ambience that enhances every film's viewing pleasure and makes your movie nights truly special. Number 5. Buryeah 99 PCS Movie Night Party Decorations Kit. Get ready for an unforgettable movie night with our comprehensive 99-piece decoration kit. It includes everything you need to transform your space into a cinematic wonderland. This all-inclusive set features a stunning backdrop, a themed table cover, fun cutouts, and plenty of balloons. You'll have more than enough decorations to create the perfect party atmosphere. Our backdrop measures 71 by 43 inches and the table cover is 54 by 108 inches, providing ample coverage. The cutouts and balloons are perfectly sized to add festive flair to your celebration. Crafted from quality polyester fabric, the backdrop is lightweight and foldable. The tablecloth is waterproof PE plastic, and the cutouts are sturdy paper, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. Immerse yourself in the movie magic with designs featuring film reels, popcorn, and more. These vibrant elements create an engaging and fun movie-themed party scene. Elevate your movie nights, birthdays, or red carpet events with this attractive decoration kit. It's designed to enhance the party atmosphere, allowing you to enjoy a memorable time with loved ones. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive movie night experience with 99 decorations, including a large backdrop and table cover. If you're planning a big event and want everything in one box to create a full cinematic atmosphere, this is your go-to. It's perfect for those who love convenience and a complete party setup. What people say. The backdrop is made of durable vinyl material, which is great for repeated use. It features a high-resolution print with vibrant colors, making it look very realistic. The size is generous, providing ample coverage for a photo booth area. Number 4. Tallew Movie Night Party Decorations Kit. Get ready for an unforgettable movie night. This kit provides everything you need to set the perfect scene. It's designed to bring the magic of the movies right to your party. Create an impressive atmosphere with our now showing banner and movie-themed cards. Setup is a breeze, allowing you more time to enjoy the festivities. Featuring classic movie night elements like popcorn, tickets, and stars, this decor truly captures the essence of cinema. It's sure to add fun and excitement to your event. Crafted from high-quality, vibrant materials, these decorations are built to last. The colors stay bright, ensuring your party looks spectacular throughout the celebration. Ideal for movie-themed parties, birthdays, or simply adding a touch of Hollywood glamour to your home. These decorations are versatile and leave a lasting impression. This comprehensive kit includes a large banner and multiple themed cards, offering a complete solution for your party needs. It's the perfect combination for a memorable gathering. What we like? Featuring a now showing banner and red carpet cutouts, this set is designed to make your guests feel like stars. If you're aiming for a Hollywood premiere vibe or a fun photo booth experience, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who want to add a touch of glamour and interactive fun to their movie-themed event. What people say. The backdrop is made of durable vinyl material, ensuring it can withstand multiple uses. Features a high-resolution print with vibrant colors, making it a visually appealing addition to any movie night setup. The backdrop is lightweight and easy to hang, with grommets included for convenient installation. Number 3. Avezano Cinema Movie Night Backdrop. Step into a world of cinematic wonder with our movie night backdrop. It's the perfect setting for unforgettable memories. Measuring 7 by 5 feet, this backdrop offers ample space for everyone to join in the fun. Easily enhance it with balloon decorations for an even more festive atmosphere. From indoor and outdoor parties to weddings, birthdays, and graduations, it's suitable for any celebration. It also serves as a stunning background for photography and video shoots. Embrace our original design that stays ahead of the trends. Use it as a photo booth backdrop, cake table banner, or wall decor. Crafted from soft, high-quality cotton, it's washable and wrinkle-resistant with a steam iron. Its vivid colors and lightweight design make it easy to hang. This cost-effective backdrop is reusable and can be transformed into home decor like tapestries, curtains, or pillowcases after your event. Make your next party unforgettable with this essential photo backdrop. It's also a fantastic gift idea for friends and family. What we like. This backdrop boasts an original design and is made from a new, high-quality fabric that's both washable and reusable. If you appreciate unique aesthetics and want a backdrop that can be repurposed creatively after the party, this is the one. It's perfect for the eco-conscious decorator or someone looking for a versatile piece that can become a lasting home decoration. What people say. The backdrop is made of durable vinyl material, ensuring it can withstand repeated use. Features a high-resolution print with vibrant colors, making it perfect for creating a festive atmosphere. The backdrop is lightweight and easy to hang, with pre-punched grommets for quick setup. Number 2. Movie Night Red Carpet Birthday Party Backdrop 7 by 5 feet. Get ready for a blockbuster celebration. This backdrop transforms any space into a Hollywood premiere, perfect for your next movie-themed party. Crafted from high-quality vinyl, it features vivid colors that are both lightweight and portable. It's designed to make your event pop and create unforgettable memories. Setting the scene is a breeze. This backdrop instantly livens up your party, ensuring a fun and entertaining atmosphere for everyone to enjoy. Worried about creases? Simply roll it tightly or use a steam iron on low heat. It's ready to be the star of your photos in no time. Beyond parties, it's perfect for photo studios, wall decor, or as a stunning banner. Let its versatile design add a touch of glamour to any occasion. Make every shot a red carpet moment. This backdrop is the ultimate prop to capture fantastic photos and celebrate in style. What we like. Made from lightweight vinyl with vivid colors, this backdrop instantly livens up any party setting. If you need a backdrop that's easy to handle, transport, and quickly decreased for immediate use, this is a fantastic option. It's ideal for those who want a vibrant and hassle-free decoration for a quick movie night setup. What people say. The backdrop is made of durable vinyl material, ensuring it can withstand repeated use. Features a high-resolution print with vibrant colors, making it ideal for creating a festive atmosphere. Easy to hang and set up, saving you time and effort during party preparations. Number 1. Movie Night Supplies Photography Backdrop Banner. Set the scene for an unforgettable movie night with this stunning backdrop. It's the perfect addition to your party decorations, creating a memorable atmosphere for guests of all ages. Crafted from high-quality polyester, this backdrop boasts a vibrant and realistic design. Its colorful print, achieved through advanced digital technology, adds a professional touch to your photos. Measuring 7 by 5 feet, it's ideally sized for various events. Whether for a holiday party, baby shower, or birthday celebration, it provides ample coverage for your photo booth or wall decoration. This backdrop arrives folded for convenient transport and storage. Should any creases appear, a low-temperature iron can easily smooth them out, ensuring a flawless presentation. Elevate your party's ambience with this versatile decoration. It's ideal for creating a captivating photo opportunity, making your event truly special and visually appealing. Transform your space into a professional photo booth with this eye-catching prop. It's designed to make your pictures pop, capturing the essence of your themed celebration. What we like. Crafted from lightweight yet solid polyester with advanced computer printing, this backdrop offers a realistic and colorful shooting effect. If you prioritize durability and a high-quality visual for photography or video backdrops, this is a strong contender. It's perfect for creating a professional-looking movie night scene without the bulk. What people say. The backdrop is made of durable vinyl material, ensuring it can withstand repeated use without tearing or fading. Its large size, 10 by 8 feet, provides ample coverage for most photo booth setups, allowing for group shots and creative framing. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and sharp details that create a realistic movie theater atmosphere. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.